Snikrot is a commando boss who served the war boss Gilskar. Serving as Gilskar's personal assassin, who fought the Kati-chan Umis on the mining world of Dulmalin, some git called Iron Hand Strachan had a scrap with him, kicking him off a building. Gaining the notice of the Prophet of Gork and Mork, Gazgul-Mag Uruk-Fraka, during the Second War for Armageddon, Snikrot infiltrated the Cerberus base of the Umis, surviving within the equatorial jungles, goring up a bunch of the Orc hunters until they started calling him the Stalker. Snikrot used his own complexion to blend into the plant life, using only the bare minimum of stuff, like his knives which he calls Mork's teeth. Rocking hundreds of Umis as he gobbed on the dangerous nosh of the jungle, Snikrot snicked the Umis of Cerberus base, pulling out their eyes and scalping any git who came across his path. His men called the Red Skulls as a reminder of their scalping. When Gaz returned to Armageddon for another go 50 years later, Snikrot rejoined his master, having earned a reputation as the morkiest of all commandos. Hoping to go back to Armageddon someday to continue his hunt of the Humes, every runt of the planet cries themselves to sleep thinking about the ghost who lurks in the jungles.